Kalain nyo yun.
Ako nga po pala si Jem, from MCJ1. Thank you.
So, Mascom din.
I'm Marilda Scardu kay Lulu. I'm from MCJ1 too.
Mascom din. Next.
Hello, I'm Jana Jean Flores from Mass Communication First Year. I'm Felony Marie Arabic po, just calling me from BSE 1B.
Now you have a lot of support here.
Terry Ponchano po, AD
Hayen.
Malaki ba ito o organization ng Mascom?
I'm Rosa Rubio from AD
Mascom.
Doing be the mind of I'm Marianne Delena from PSE 1.
Arwin!
I'm Patrick from AD Fine Arts, major in advertising.
Bumawi!
Thank you for very good question. The answer is, my name is Arjun Ortega, taking a Bachelor of Arts in Mass Communication, majoring in journalism at University of Rizal System and Ghana campus.
Chino! Go Chino! Woo!
From Bachelor of Science, Tourism, from College of Arts and Letters.
Love you, Chino!
I would like to introduce the senior members of the organization.
Senior citizen. Marley! Go, Ayen!
Hello, I'm Ayan France, Ayan Philippines.
I love you, Ayen!
Thank you.
I'm Butil.
Buti mo naman yun.
Boo!
I'm Bruno May Santa Ana. My name is Joseph G. Oblaneta, representing School of Science and Education, the president of the Barangay Dance Troupe. Maraming salamat po sa sumuporta ng aming mini concert. So, sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo. Subukan nyo hindi mag-enjoy, hindi kayo makakalabas ng campus ng buhay. Maraming salamat po. Napakalaki pong tulong para sa aming advisor. Ang panonood nyo ng aming mini concert. Pakisabi na lang po sa iba na meron po kaming concert ng 2 to 4 mamaya. 3 to 4. Maraming salamat po. Let us all welcome a big round of applause for the Barangay Dance Troupe. Salamat po.